Yo, Sheewin Williams Tower getting really, really, really tall now. It's joining the other three in Public Square. And they just redid over Heritage Park, real nice too. They do a great job on this part of that Center Street Bridge rehabilitation project. Should be done at the end of this year. For some odd reason, my phone don't want to take videos while playing music in the background, which is stupid. I don't understand that, but it is what it is. This is the Flats West District. You see ahead is the Main Avenue Bridge. It's a developing community. You get this shot of the Nautica Pavilion, downtown Cleveland behind it. You're gonna get a good vantage point from up here though. See? Another car, so I ain't got a mount. I gotta hold this phone. I need to get a mount for this car like I got my other one. Happy hour, huh? Got a lot of developing and rejuvenating to do around here. Look, you got good views of the west side of downtown Cleveland Skyline. Usually on weekend nights, Fridays, this is a real busy place. But by being an early morning on a Wednesday, it's semi-quiet. Tell this CBO trolley tracks that's to come through here and store it. Look, I'm gonna give y'all a tour. A lot of Ohio attractions and landmarks. They don't even let you park up here. They don't play that. See, look, as close as you could get. Cleveland is a city of historic ethnicity. See, and right there you got the view of the Superior Avenue Bridge. Let me zoom out. This is an Italian restaurant right here. As you see, it's kind of cluttered up here. You gotta have special permit and permission to park up here. So what I'm gonna do, I ain't gonna park up here. Do this little drive through. Got a good view of the Main Avenue Bridge again. I wish that I can't wait till they open up the Center Street Bridge, which is down there, still closed off to the public due to renovation work. Yeah. Oh, I can go straight this way now. I remember, oh, they got this open. Good. They used to have this closed. They don't open this up. Two-way now. Get straight on the shoreway. Now we're gonna get a good shot of the skyline from a different perspective. This is where I-90 enters north across the Cuyahoga River on the Innerbelt Bridge, also known as the Voinovich Memorial Bridge. Past Deadman Curve, one of the few 90-degree sharp turns in the interstate highway system. Keep looking, 3-4 miles ahead. That's when traffic slows from 50 miles per hour to a steady 35 around that sharp curve. Goes from the north to the northeast to follow the shores of Lake Erie. Turn around the bend, Deadman's Curve, officially known as Innerbelt Curve. This is the most notorious curve in one in the state of Ohio, or the world. So many accidents happen here multiple times a year. Due to eager drivers trying to get to their destinations. Shoreline to the points north and east. 90 remains on this northeast trajectory all the way to Buffalo, New York, which is 225 miles from here. City of Erie, Pennsylvania, as soon as we pass the central business district. The long distance drivers know that's the next city that's on I-90 once it leaves Cleveland city limits. Soon we're going to pass the 55th Street Marina and the 73rd Street Park. Just a few places where 90 is close proximity to the lake. time it gets close proximity to the lake is after Erie, between Erie and the New York State and PA State borderline.